So today I'm gonna do a short presentation of this Zippo hand warmer. It's really compact and lightweight. It comes inside of this package, which includes the manual for Zippo hand warmer, and then it has this cup which you fill up with some kind of lighter fluid. I use this Zippo. I think it's high quality lighter fluid. I've been using this hand warmer now for like a couple of months, and so I don't fill this thing up all the way. I just put a little bit more fluid into it. I first remove this catalytic burner. It comes off really easy. Then we fill up this cup a little bit. Let's put just a bit. If you fill this thing all the way up to this line here, then it gives you runtime of about 12 hours. So the hand warmer should be burning for 12 hours. Okay, then we gonna fill this, pour this fluid into this hole. Quite slowly, that it goes smoothly. There's a slight smell of gasoline. Not much, but it's good to know that there is some smell of gasoline. And after you fill this, you should keep it upwards for a couple of minutes so the fluid gets all the way down here. Then let's put this catalytic burner back. And next step is to light this thing up. We take a lighter. Not so cold that this doesn't light up. Come on now. Yeah, I have to get a better one. Okay, now we shall keep the light under each side for 5 to 10 seconds to light the catalytic burner. It's pretty cold outside now here in Finland. It's at minus 20 Celsius. Well, this Zippo hand warmer is really convenient when you need to warm up your hands or put it under your jacket. You can't actually see the flame when this thing is working, but there's a slight reddish color over the burner. and it's ready for use. Then we put this cover back on and wait a couple of minutes and this thing warms up. You can definitely feel the warm generating inside here. So let's wait a couple of minutes. Now this thing is getting really hot. You can still keep your hands over it, but yeah, it's pretty hot already. So to prevent getting any burns in your hands, it's better to put it in the pouch and use it like this. Yeah, now this is ready for use, and you can put it, for example, inside your gloves and keep your hands warm. But of course, when this burning needs oxygen, you have to make sure that it can get also oxygen to burn. But it really warms up your gloves when you put it inside. I use this hand warmer sometimes inside my jacket pocket, like this. It gives a nice warm feeling also when using like this. Just my thoughts about this Zippo hand warmer. I think this is it's a really good product. I really like this. It's like I said, it's really compact, lightweight, easy to use, and it's pretty powerful, and it works 12 hours, so there's a really long runtime. And you need to fill this thing again. Just remove the catalytic burner, make sure there's no flame, and refill it, and it's ready to use again. There's a small smell of gasoline, of course, when you use this. That might be a downside, but the smell is not so bad. I'm pretty sensitive for those fumes, but that's one thing you might wanna know. Yeah, this is a good product. There might be other brands making hand warmers, and I have had previously some made in Soviet Union, but I really like this one. And if you wanna shut down or turn off this thing before 12 hours, then you could, well, I do this, that I put it hand warmer inside of a plastic bag, and then I close it that it doesn't get any oxygen, so it slowly turns off by itself.